I'm showing this everlasting waterproof protector. This is for the king size bed and comes with a two free pillow protector as well. The size wise you can see like it's a king size pillow protector and a mattress protector. The pillows are the standard size one, so they are not like the king size pillow protector but a standard size pillow protector. And then this king size pillow protector is actually very soft material that you can see. It's a waterproof material and then smooth. So because of this I just put on my king size bed. You can see from the corners it's well. From the corners also it's a deep pocket, so it goes really well in the corner of the mattress, so holds well, hard to take out. And then also from each corner you can see that it's really fit well. So once this is all settled up, you can see a smooth structure here, and that's help in protection of your mattress and from the corners. With the pillow protector as well, you can just use this pillow protectors. Just put it on your pillow and then a pillowcase on top of it if you want to just save your pillows. But the mattress protector is smooth and waterproof, so I will just put in some water just to show. So here I will just put in some water and you can see like that it is going away, and then I don't feel anything on the top of it. So the more water not going inside, as you can see, just staying outside, and there's nothing is below that. So very nice king size protector.